How to fix Snapchat error code SS07. Hello everybody, if you're getting this SS07, which means usually your device has been banned from logging into Snapchat due to too many accounts associated with it, you can follow up the steps in order to fix it, but it may not work. So for that, you can head over to your Snapchat application, and the thing you need to do is you need to double check your username and password for accuracy first. So just go ahead and try to verify your login details and see if that works. Otherwise, sometimes a temporary ban may be lifted after a period of certain time. So you may just go ahead and wait for at least 48 hours before going ahead and trying any other method or logging in into your Snapchat account. You can also try switching up to a different Wi-Fi network. Head over to devices settings, and from there you can just go over the connections and see if your Wi-Fi or your mobile data is working. Otherwise, try switching up into a different one. Ensure that you're also using the latest version of Snapchat. So head over to your Play Store app, or if you're on Android, go to the search for Snapchat, and then ensure that you are using the latest version of the Snapchat application. After that, a simple restart of your device can also sometimes resolve the minor glitches, so just go ahead and look out for the restart and restart your device to the latest. Just go ahead and restart your device. If you have another device, you can try logging in Snapchat into another one and see if issues still persist. Notice is that if you're likely experiencing these issues, it's highly likely your device has been banned, and these troubleshooting steps won't resolve the issue. So, you cannot do anything about it, but you can just go ahead and try, which may work. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.